A quick question. Do you want to be a fintech consultant? A data scientist? A cyber threat investigator? A system network specialist? An artificial intelligence expert? Or are you still undecided? Here at our School of IT, you get more than just a diploma. We help you fulfill your dreams. Ever dream of representing Singapore on the world stage? And achieving glory for Singapore and yourself? SIT has won WorldSkills Albert Vidal twice. No other institution in the world has been able to beat that. Do you have your eyes on the top prize? We managed to beat all competitors, winning all the gold medals in IT categories of WorldSkills Singapore 2020. At SIT, we can help you achieve this. We will help you level up. What about furthering education at your dream university? Join your seniors who have gone on to excel in these prestigious universities which are ranked among the best in the world. In SIT, we can help you level up. How about getting your dream job? Just like your seniors who hold prestigious jobs in various companies. Or start your own business, like our alumni who made it on their own. With our strong industry partners and dedicated staff, we can help you fulfill your dreams. Join us now!